Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and for those of you that are new to my channel, it's all about self-built camper vans and camper van related stuff. So if that's...
Excuse me, this is my channel.
Oh, have I got the wrong camera?
Yeah.
Oops.
You're on the wrong place.
My bad. Well, it's a nice day, so I think I'll go metal detecting and leave you to finish off this video.
Yeah. Clear off then, Mel.
Ta-ra for now.
See you later. Welcome back to my channel. Anyway, now that we've got Mel out of the way, I can talk to you about today's video, and that is all about female hygiene in a van. A couple of videos ago, a lot of you commented on Mel's channel when he did about toileting in the van, what's in my bag video, which I can link up above here. And a lot of you asked, you know, what's the female version of the hygiene situation in the van? How do I shower? How do I keep clean? And all of the toileting. So today's video is all about that. So on the side here, I've got my paraphernalia of cleaning stuff, and we're just going to run through it, and I'll just talk a bit about each. And if you're interested in any of the items, then I will get Mel to put them in his Amazon shop, and I'll try and link them down below as well so that you've got them there. But I've tried and tested quite a lot of different things already in such a short time, and this is what works for me. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first item that I want to talk about is the female urinal system, and this is similar to a Shiwi, but it's just a different version. I went for a black one because it's easy to clean and you're not going to notice it so much because it's a dark colour. So you just use water to wash it out, and then you just get some kind of receptacle that you use as well. So to go along with the Shiwi, I actually have this big water bottle here, which is 2,000 millilitres. It's black again. It's got a little loop strap, which I can use to hang up. Top open. It's supposed to be a drinking water bottle, but it's got a screw top. So what I do, if I want a wee during the day, and I don't want to get out the porta potty, I get this out, get my Shiwi out, pop it in like so, and then just angle it in the right position, and you're good to go. Only thing you do have to make sure is that that is secure up in your areas so you don't get any leakages, but it's really simple. And then yeah, you don't know what's in here, go and empty this out when you're at a toilet or somewhere convenient that you can empty it, and then you just swill it with water, and then this little guy, because it's silicone, I just pop it together, do it like it folds into a little section like so, pop it in the bag, and then when you go out walking or you're away from the van, or even just storage in the van, that is your toilet. Now you're asking, how do you keep yourself and your hands clean as well? If you need to, I just use toilet roll, throw the toilet roll away in the bin, and then hand sanitizer. I chose black because it was nice and discreet, and you know, you don't have to worry about it looking icky. You can stick them in your backpack and take them away with you if you're going out for the day. Simple. If you want to do a number 2, then you do what pretty is simple for most people. Decompostable bags, or just normal bags depending on your preference. I've got the loo behind me, so I'm just going to set it up as if I would do for a normal toilet process. So here's my porta potty. So you pop it up like so, pop the bag in, and you put the bag over the lid, pop a bit in the bottom, and you do your normal business. Once you've finished, obviously take the bag out, tie it up, and dispose of it correctly. Now if you wanted to also just use this just to go to the toilet, so you just take the bag out. Now my advice for ladies is use the potty like a normal toilet. You have to pull the handle out to make sure that the opening is open so that you go to the toilet. Do a wee, and then don't put toilet roll down. I know you can get this stuff which disposes and breaks down. It's really expensive, but it actually makes it worse to empty the toilet. So my advice is use toilet roll by all means to wipe yourself, but then dispose of it in the bin. Don't put it in the porta potty, because it makes emptying the porta potty so much easier, and also cleaner because it doesn't get stuck and everything and all that gunk, nasty stuff. So that's the toileting out of the way. Okay, now we're on to showering and keeping clean in the van. So my rundown of items to keep clean are a body flannel, a towel, a collapsible bowl of some sort. I mean, I got this one, but I'm actually thinking of getting one of those water holder bags that actually flatten down, that are just canvas. This is good, but it's quite big to store, so it might be something that I upgrade to in the future. It is just a collapsible bowl though, so loads of water can go in there, and you can get these at camping shops. So that's the initial things. I've also got this little guy, which is a pump and a shower hose. So you stick that in there and you can quickly wash your hair. Super simple and really easy to pack away. And you can do it right here in the van, or you can do it outside. You've got the choice. So if it's peeing down with rain, or if it's late at night and you don't want to be outside, you can do that. That comes in a little bag, and you also get a kit with your USB charging kit and a little valve so that you can have it fully running and then switch it off like a tap. And then the great thing is that it also comes with a hook and a suction cup, so you can have two options of how to hang it. So for instance, if I wanted to have it up on the ceiling, I could hook it up there and quickly rinse myself off. So we'll show you that video in the future. The last thing is I've got a hanging travel bag which houses all of my beauty stuff and my hairbrush, toothbrush, you name it. So it is a hanging storage unit like so. So it has all of my stuff that I ever should need, as well as some medication. I've got like scissors and like manicure stuff. Got my essential oils, toothbrush stuff, my vitamins. I've got all my supplements and my vitamins in there. Then in this section here, I have deodorant, hairbrush, tablets, toothbrush, toothpaste, travel mirror, and then this is my facial scrub brush which I use to exfoliate my face, and I've got a homemade face scrub which I make up. So if you want to know the ingredients about this and how to make it, I can always do a video about this in the future, so let me know. Completely natural and organic as well. And then the last things that I have are my shampoo bars. So I've got a conditioner and a shampoo which I use, which are completely natural as well. So they are really easy to use and low impact. Try and keep your products to a minimum is my other advice, because I also have a body wash that I use which I squirt a little bit into that water bowl and it can wash everywhere. So you want a multi-use product, and my shampoo bars are also, I can wash my face with them, so they're fine. You kind of want to limit the amount of products that you have, and for anyone that blow dries their hair or straightens their hair, it's not going to happen in a van unfortunately, unless you have a super duper massive power pack like the Jackery 1000. It might work a hair straightener, definitely not a hairdryer. So yeah, you have to learn to air dry. There are a few essential items that I have in my van that are for just general cleaning and toileting. So essential bit of kit I find, if you want a shower: bucket, and a portable hose. If you want to urine in peace and quickly, get yourself these 2 items. They are also from Amazon. These are from Amazon. Toilet roll from any camping shop that's biodegradable and that breaks down if you need it, because obviously if you get normal toilet tissue and you accidentally put it down the portaloo, it will block it. So you need to get yourself some of the Thule toilet rolls. Hand sanitizer. I would recommend getting a facial scrub or something, because I noticed that if you don't wash quite as good on your face, you do start to get a few blemishes. So highly recommend getting a facial scrub or something that's quick and easy to pop out and then use, just to get any dirt off and any grime from the beach after you've been surfing or playing in the sand. Quick towel, facial cloth. Now this towel is actually brilliant. I'm just going to mention it to you. It is a wraparound towel. So it's made from terry toweling, which is super quick drying and absorbent. But what it is it has buttons on the front and it's elasticated at the back so that you can wear it and it doesn't fall down. Brilliant. And this is also in Amazon, so I can link those below. I use them for my clients and I've been using them for years and they're brilliant. So if you're interested in getting a hold of some of these, I can also link that down below. This is also from Amazon. It's called Norway travel hanging beauty case. I mean, there's loads of different prints and stuff, but I find that every single thing that I need for my health and hygiene is in there. This is my take on van hygiene and health so far, and already since I've been doing this journey, I've found out so much of what works and what doesn't work. For me, daytime, if I need to go to the toilet, it's this, and if it's in the nighttime, during the night, I have the porta potty set up ready to go before I go to bed, and then I put it away after the morning routine. That's how it works best for me. You may find that it's different, but I find sometimes during the night when I'm fast asleep, I can't quite get my attention span to work so that I've got a secure fit for the shiwi, because you do have to make sure that it really cups you nicely so that you don't have any leaks. Also, squatting helps. So yeah, for those ladies out there, definitely squat, because it makes it a lot easier. Leave a comment down below if you have any other suggestions of things and items that you've tried that I haven't mentioned here. Like I said, if you're interested in knowing about my facial scrub, then leave a comment down below and I can always do a video about showing you how to make it. It's super simple and really good for your skin as well. I will be doing a actual full shower and hygiene of like a routine that I do. So if you want to see a video like that, then please comment down below and leave the little shower emoji. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and head over to Mel's channel if you haven't seen his version of this video, and I will link it, like I said, up above here. And make sure that you like and subscribe to his channel too. We are going to go and do some reading and relaxing down on the little cove, which is just behind the van here. Mel's already there, but I just wanted to create this video for you while I had the inspiration and while we had the good weather, because the last 24 hours have been peeing down. So yeah, got inspired, got up, had breakfast, and I thought, why not film a video explaining all of my hygiene things for you. So yeah, that is my world in terms of hygiene. So it's not too much. You obviously have to find somewhere to put it, but it's not bad. Anyway, thank you so much for joining in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!